So to get started with the downloaded package of VL.Rhino, we open up VL and navigate to Manage NuGets, then Command Line, and open the command line. In the command line, we type NuGet install VL.Rhino. Then we have to point to the source of our file. In my case, it's C download. And additionally, we need to point to the NuGet server, and you got an email with your order, and there you can find this line as well, this source, and this is needed to download all the dependencies of the NuGet. So now we have installed it. In my case, it's already installed, obviously. But now we are ready to use VL.Rhino in VL. The first starting point is always looking for the help patches in the package, and we can just search in the Learn tab of the help browser. You can open it with F1, and we type in Rhino. Here you can see a couple of help patches, and we start just with Open Rhino File. Here you can already see the rendered view of the file. It's a sample file that comes with the package. And here you can see what's needed to just open this file. Actually, you only need the Rhino reader, the Rhino entity, and then obviously a sprite scene and a render window. From here, every other help patch in the list covers a specific feature: materials, layers, user strings, the Grasshopper live link, and more. The help patches are the best starting point. That's the complete setup. No Rhino installation is required, just the NuGet and a 3DM file.